Okay, here we are in my basement. I have my two bedrooms finished and ready for drywall. So I want to shoot this video to kind of show what I've done before I put the drywall up, because then you won't see it anymore. So in this bedroom here, here is the HVAC, and I ran it low. When my HVAC guys first did this, they had it coming off the trunk line and they had it emptied out right above the window. And I know that's probably good to have it above the window for whatever purpose. I'm not 100% sure why, but it seems like a lot of heat ducts are over by the window. But I wanted it to come down low. I didn't want the heat to be shooting right on you. Probably that's where a bed is going to be located, probably in that corner over there. So I brought the HVAC and the heat and everything in low. All right. And then I brought the cold air return over here. I'll have coming through these cavities and it will be up there. So I'll have my cold air return up high. So hopefully the hot air will kind of move across the room and get sucked back into the system. So that's the first thing I did. Then I made this ladder, if you will. Put this ladder system up here because I'm going to have a drop ceiling where that ladder is, because I want to be able to get to all my pipes and everything and who knows what. So again, I built that ladder system there. All right. And then I also worked on some electrical. So I got electrical running all over. This electrical here will be for a TV. But then I actually have electrical running over here. And I know I brought my doors in here already. But behind there is actually electrical for the closet to store things in it. All right. And then I got electrical all over here. Then when I was done with that, I started working on my low voltage, and I actually put in these 1.5 inch PVC pipes up to the electrical conduit to a 90-degree sweep. It's hidden by insulation now, but there's a 90-degree swoop or sweep, whatever it may be called. And then one comes over there and comes down that wall right there, and I have access to it. I put a nylon pull cord in it as well, so that way I can pull, with new cables that come out. I have one access there. You can see the orange access for low voltage. I have another access down lower that goes into the closet because, again, that's probably where I'm going to be putting a lot of my, digital audio equipment. And there is my beautiful cat yelling at me. Hi, Butterscotch. That's what she does. She yells. So I also put in a line. There's actually two of them. If you see up there, I have a line going, and that's coming all the way over here. And there's the pull cord for it. I need to put that up because I just got done with my insulation. But there is another one. So if I need to pull something through the ceiling over to that closet, I can, because again, that's where I'm going to be putting a lot of my electrical. At first I thought this was going to be my office, so I put some conduit there as well, again, to be able to access then from the drop ceiling. I can move the drop ceiling and access it. And this is where I was going to put my desk, but I kind of am thinking otherwise, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But this is one bedroom here. And I got done with the insulation today. That was kind of the last thing I needed to do. So I got the insulation up. I insulated around my heat and air conditioning duct in this room here. So that will be all nice and cozy. Got everything insulated. This room over here, I'm thinking it's going to be my office, just because I got lots of windows and I could look out at my awesome landscaping project that I did completely myself. Not 100% done yet. Got to build that wall and then put the patio down below. But I built this amazing wall out there, and it wraps all the way over to here as well, and built that big retaining wall over there. So I want to be able to look. I'm going to have flowers going all through that. So I want to be able to look out and see those beautiful flowers. So I think this is going to be my office. So obviously I also ran PVC pipe through here, and it goes through there. Now you can't see it because I got the insulation, but eventually it comes out right here. So I have a couple pull cords there, nylon rope going through it. And I also have PVC here because that goes through here and it terminates over here into my closet. So when I'm in my closet, I think this is where I may be putting a lot of my AV equipment in here. I'll have a pull rope to access stuff from over there where I think I'm going to put my desk. I also have conduit going up and over here to the drop ceiling over here. And let's see if you can see the opening. There it is right there with the pull cord. I've got my TV and my internet getting ready to pull through there. We'll do some more low voltage later, but it's all ready to be able to pull through there without a problem. I also have another one here as well. So I got plenty of low voltage and I'll have power right there. All right, so plenty of power and low voltage in this room here. Again, oh, I probably tilted my video. Sorry, I hope I wasn't like that for too long. But I put in all my electrical there. All right, again, that's where my TV will be right there. Pull cord, or then I ran that line up and over to the drop ceiling over here so I could pull again when those HDMI cables get changed out for who knows what. I'll be able to pull those cords right through it. So definitely you want to do that. Got some more electric there. I also wanted some electric there, so I built just a little area there. Oh, also I have my ceiling there. I have it ready for my smoke detectors and fire alarms and all sorts of stuff. Realized I needed a 14.3 wire for that. The red wire runs to all of the smoke detectors around the house. So if one goes off in our bedroom, the other side of the house, this one will go off. So that's kind of cool. I didn't know that technology. So I learned that when I was doing that. Google's an amazing thing. Again, insulated all the ceiling with R30, nice and soft, and a big old blanket up there, ready to go. So we are ready for drywall. Oh, I also ran for my light that yellow wire up there. I got yellow wire tucked in right there. I have yellow wire tucked in right there and right there because I'm going to be putting in some 6-inch LED disc lights, or they look like can lights, but they're only like a 1/2 inch thick. All right, and so I'll drill my hole in the drywall when I'm done. They're super light. They have a control module that will connect to those wires up there, and off we go. So I'll have some nice LED lights in here. Again, don't need the cans or anything like that. They're super small. They're actually in that box over there, a couple boxes behind my table that I have leaned up against the wall or against the boxes there. So that's going to be our lights, but again, this is going to be, I believe, my office. I'm thinking my desk is going to be right here. Oh, there's the HVAC too. Ran the HVAC down here, so again, it's not blowing on top of you because this is where it was going to be, right up there. So if I'm sitting here at my office looking out at the beautiful landscaping, I don't want to have heat just coming right down on top of me. So I'm glad that I took the extra time and moved that HVAC over there. I'll have a cold air return on the other side of the room, so air will move nice and freely. But I'm going to have my desk probably right here. Again, the low voltage available there. So yeah, these rooms, I'm excited, are ready for drywall. And then we'll cut out, get the electrical in here and lights and all that good stuff. So what we're doing now is we're going to move all this stuff. So it's a moving game. I can't wait to have this done and my barn done because we're going to get a lot of this stuff out of here. But we're going to be moving all this stuff into the bedroom so I can do all the electrical in here. This is going to be our awesome theater room in here. Can't wait. This is going to be our bathroom over here. So still need to work the electrical and everything in here and before we drywall. So we have these couple rooms, but we're getting there. We've made a lot of progress. All right, but again, I can't wait to have this as my theater room. I want a big projector over there with 7.2.4 surround sound with the Atmos system. So We'll have speakers in the ceiling up there as well. So I got to run all my wiring for that and all that good stuff. So looking forward to it. So we are getting ready to move all this stuff. Lots of fun.